Hello guys, I know we are hitting the end of 2024. Now, a lot of you might be thinking about, can I get into cloud somehow? Is this the right time or is it too late to be doing any cloud certifications? Let me tell you, whether it's AI, DevOps, or any automation, they're all related to cloud, and cloud is the key skill for this year and the years coming up. AI, which is the most hyped skill, it is heavily dependent on cloud, and the right place to start your cloud journey, the place where even I started my cloud journey is AZ 900 Azure Fundamentals. I started with GCP, but I could not understand much, so I went back to do AZ 900, and I must tell you, it is one of the best cloud certifications you can do if you're beginning your cloud journey. Can this be your gateway to cloud world? Absolutely. So let's get into some common questions about this exam and how do we crack it. So the official study guide by Jim Cheshire, that's the book I refer to clear my exam as well. And I would suggest read this book cover to cover. Try to understand key cloud concepts in a very detailed and answer all the quiz questions and do the summaries that are there at the end of each chapter. And also, I would recommend to have some patience. Buy the book. Don't read the PDF version. It's not really going to help. Buy the book and read it. Are any mock tests needed? Now you can take some mock tests, but I personally did not take any mock tests. I just looked at some sample questions I could find on the net, and it's a pretty basic exam. But when you're starting a cloud journey, I know it can be a tough one. For me, it was not really tough, but it was kind of tricky. I still remember my score. I got around 896 in my first attempt, and at that time, Microsoft was providing some free certification coupons as well. You attend the workshop, you get a coupon, but that has been discontinued now because this certification has gained some popularity. Now, which certification can I do after this one? There are a lot of possibilities. You can do the other 900s like DP 900 and AI 900. They are of similar level of complexity, but they cover slightly different subjects. One is related to data fundamentals, the other is related to AI fundamentals. I would highly recommend doing both of them because it gives a lot of confidence, and I have done the same as well. Now, how do you clear this exam? You need to learn the concepts since this is your first cloud certification. I would highly recommend to get the cloud concepts right. What is SaaS? What is PaaS? What is IaaS? And then what is the shared responsibility models? This is all going to help you in a your long cloud journey. Is no other source available for preparation? Absolutely not. You can read the official documentation by Microsoft on MS Learn. That is one another very useful website. They provide small bite-sized articles which you can read on the go while you're in the bus or traveling in the metro, even in the elevator. It's a very satisfying read. So there are other possibilities you can do. Online courses as well, maybe by Ranga Karanam or Scott Duffy. I've done these as well. And next question is, should I do an online course? Absolutely. You can do that as well if you're trying to strengthen your cloud fundamentals. Go out and have multiple sources for your preparation strategy. I don't know cloud, can I still attempt it? This is a very basic level certification, and if you are not familiar with cloud at all, let's say you have never even opened a personal account, you have never worked on it in production, you don't know anything about it, you can still learn the concepts. You don't have to need any hands-on experience. All that is needed is a good grasp of the cloud concepts. You're not tested hands on, but of course, when I gave my exam, there were, you know, very basic level hands on challenges like what does this icon do in the GUI, for which you just need to watch some videos, nothing more than that. And can this be your first cloud certification? Definitely, this can be your first cloud certification. You don't have to have any experience in cloud, and this can be your gateway to the cloud world, like it was for me as well. And what is the correct preparation strategy? My recommendation is first finish this book, do an online certification, do an online course, and then after that, try to have some revision. There is a glossary at the end of the book. Try to understand and memorize what each of the keywords mean. So that was my strategy, and it can take some time, but since it's your first cloud, don't go for dumps. It is of no use. Have the concepts right. And what is the value of this certification? This certification is of good value, especially for entry level positions. And it adds some weight. If you're a fresh college graduate, it definitely adds some weight.